What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. I'm sure you guys already know what's going to happen. I mean, come on, it's not like anything else happens here. But before I start testing this bus, I have some news about it. So, got a message from DomDum today saying, hey, I have a pack for you that I want you to put in and do a video on. And I said, yeah, sure. So unfortunately, that pack is going to be private. It's only meant to just be showcased on here. But he did say that this specific version that you are seeing right now will be public, which I assume means that it is going to be released very, very soon. So this is a very good bus. I really do like it. If you don't already know what it is the 2001 Bluebird International by DomDum and Normigidal. So they've made a couple things together, and this is their latest and greatest. So yeah, let me just finish. Sorry, someone sent me something. Need to reply. Okay, let's go ahead. This is the base model, like I said. Let's check out these other versions. Hopefully they are something cool. So okay, let's see. So we have JCSD, which I think I know where this is going with JCSD, AAS, and another JCSD. Okay, well, oh, this is a 2000 International, and that's a 01 International. Okay, well, I think I know what this one is. Let's see. Oh, whatever. Close enough. Okay, so this isn't too different. Are there warning light cars? Yes, there is. Okay, so this one is the Jefferson Central School District. Instead of a white roof, we have a yellow roof, which actually looks pretty good. I don't know if I like that better, but it's not that bad. Otherwise, it's just a little bit of different side letter. Well, that's the only difference that I see. Actually, we've got a side door on this one, and we don't on that one. I'm liking the addition of the side door. Let's see. Everything else looks like it's the same. Let's just think this is the same. Let's go ahead. Let's check this out. We'll turn that off real quick. We will go in here. There may be custom sounds, so looks about the same. The steering wheel might actually be a little bit different. Let me check one more time. No, that's the same. Okay, so there's that. Okay, next up we have the AAS, I believe, yes. What do we have here? Altoona Area Schools, okay. Okay, so just another slightly different version. We don't have a side E-door on this one. Otherwise, it looks about the same. Oh, here's something different. Here's something that you normally don't see, especially on Bluebirds. There are individual warning light covers. I'll try and get it close up so you might not be able to see it that well, but those are both individual while these are grouped together, which, yeah, I only like them on Thomas's. Individual warning light covers on Thomas's, but hey, that's always good. So, and let's see, like I said, there might be some sounds, but it's if there are different sounds, then it might just be different, or it might just be conflicting. Oh, I noticed something about this one. We have red turning signals, which I'm not a big fan of, but hey, it adds different, it looks different. We also have a different school bus sign up here. We also have the black around the turning signals. So, it's not a, major differences. It's just little cosmetic things that, make it look different. So, okay, let's go ahead. Let's shut this off. And let's spawn the last one. This 2000 bird, I believe. No, the 01. Oh. Yeah, I like this one. Well, ain't that interesting? Ain't that something? You can clearly see the differences. Of course, we have yellow rubber rails. Not sure why there aren't warning light covers on the back, but there are on the front. That's interesting. I'm really kind of gravitating towards this one. I really do like this one a lot. And like I said, I've mentioned this before. They don't look like Bluebirds. they really do look like Waynes, and this one specifically, you know, just nails it down that it's a Wayne, even though it's a Bluebird, especially with no warning light covers, because Wayne did do that for a long time where they didn't necessarily put the warning light covers on. You could as an option, but, you know. If you just change the body a little bit, you know, give that an angle and not much else, and you already got yourself a Wayne. Is that a different school bus sign than the other ones? I believe it is. No. Okay, so... Yeah, I really do like this one a lot. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite? Just the basic, the 2000, the AAS, or the 01? Because I really do like this one a lot. So, well, you guys know what we're going to do from here. We're going to make sure that these things are powerful enough to actually drive, make its way up the hill so that we can get some normal driving, just so I know that it's all good. Oops, I was pushing the wrong button. I meant to be pushing the gas, but I kept on pushing the camera. Oops. Whoa. Yeah, that could be a problem. Here we go. Does seem a little bit slow right now. Normally I can get them a little bit faster at this point. There it goes, now it's speeding up a little bit. You know, I wonder if the warning lights are different, if they're incandescent LEDs. I want to check that real quick. I love the parking brake, as you guys already know that. Incandescent, gotta love that. Okay, let's... Oh, that's why. More incandescents. I'm pretty positive that this one's going to be incandescent also. Wanna bet? Oh. Hold up. That one doesn't have back warning light covers either. I didn't notice that. You know what? This one actually kind of looks like one of my models that I have. If you have it, you'll know which one I'm talking about. And then let's see, what does the standard version have? Okay, so incandescents. Let's head back up the hill. I've already mentioned this multiple times. I love the exterior. The interior is just where work needs to be done, because it's, you know, I realize custom busing, and I'll understand that, and give it some, you know, room to mess around with, but still, it's just not the most appealing thing. Just, you know, out of the corner of my eye, I'm not really, you know, paying attention to that, but still, you know, just a little writing on the parking brake, or making the radio, you know, 3D, or actually putting a gear shifter in instead of just the letters, you know? It's like I say, whenever I get a bus or I review one, it's always the little details that, you know, really add up to make it enjoyable. So
Mom said you were here.
I am.
Are you staying here?
Yeah. Hmm?
I said, oh.
Yeah. Brother came in. Sorry about that. Here we go, up the hill. You know, I'm trying to imagine. I like all the switches there, but how much of those would you actually use? Like, I would probably just use that bottom row, you know? Whoa. I kind of want to put it into manual once I get up to this little snowbank up here. Just see how that affects it. Should be right up around here, I think. Whoa! Whatever, I know where it's at. Or, well, I'll know it when I see it. Is this it right here? Nope. Here it is. This is what I was looking for right here. I knew it was somewhere around here. Now I am going to be switching to using the keyboard for steering. Oops, wrong way. So, come on, you got this. So as I'm sure you're aware, it is performing a little bit up to my standards under manual, and you do have to, realize that I'm controlling when it's going, when it's changing gears and whatnot, so. Mind you, I also don't drive in manual most of the time, so. Headed out?
Yeah.
Okay. Goodbye.
I'm gonna just go drive around.
Okay.
I got nothing else.
Okay, have fun.
Dude, Russell filled me up on a quarter of a tank today.
How much was it? Like,
$7.
yeah, it's not too bad.
Well, for 93 though.
Goodbye. And there goes my brother. So yeah, I think after this I'm just going to record a little bit of LCPDFR. I think that sounds fun. That'll be 4 videos that I record today. Man. Normally I don't do that very often. Actually, I should probably record the question of the month. That'd probably be a good idea instead. So then that can actually get up towards the beginning of the month and not right at the middle. I already have some LCPDFR videos that need to go up, so. We're up at the top and we made it. So, like I said earlier, this bus, it's not the most powerful thing I've ever used. I've certainly had some better contenders. But once I switched it over into manual, it was definitely a lot easier to drive. So, yeah. So, like I said, let me know which version you guys like. It'll probably be public soon. Not sure when, so don't go asking. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you're now subscribed to Safety Diner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put down and where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or I will push you off the top of Mount Shell. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it, and thanks for watching.